Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the column formula. But before we start, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. The column formula works as same as the row formula. The difference between both of them is that row formula returns back the result of row location in which our data is present, and same as the column formula helps us to find out the location or reference of the column in which our data is present. As we have already discussed in previous videos, that row is all about the vertical data, and column is all about the horizontal data. If you look at this data here, it's in horizontal way, and these are names we will use for our formula. Let's type here is equal to sign, column, bracket open, B3, bracket close, which is the first name, Sam, to see on which column the name is placed. As you can see here, the answer is 2. Second column, you can see it's B, which means it's the second column from the whole sheet. This helps if our data exceeds the A to Z columns. After that, a new series starts, and if we press Ctrl right, and ends right here. In these type of conditions, the column formula is useful. Let's try another data type is equal to sign, column, bracket open, C3, bracket close, enter. The answer is 3, which means this name is placed on column number 3. Let's try the formula on all the data columns by hovering the mouse here and drag all the way to the right when the black plus symbol appears. There you got the answers of the whole data. I hope you got everything. If there's still any query, you may ask in the comment section down below. And if you understand everything, then do hit the like button and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care.